Hi children, let's come back to my channel. Let's learn live processes, few more questions from the textbook and also some additional questions from the content. Some questions from the textbook. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and my mail ID is over here. And questions are describe excretory system in human beings. Second question, describe the process of urine formation. Third question, describe the structure and function of nephrons. What are the methods used by the plants to get rid of excretory products? Last question, how is the amount of urine produced regulated? Here is the answer for the first question. Main points are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladders, urethra. So how this works, we can see here in the diagram. This diagram is textbook diagram. Check it all the parts and their shapes and also practice 2 times. Draw this diagram and check their parts, which is very important for your exam.
Is a breakdown suitable for a 10th grade understanding. Key functions. Waste removal. The primary function is to eliminate nitrogenous wastes like urea, which are produced from protein metabolism. It also removes excess salts, water, and other metabolic byproducts. Osmoregulation. The system regulates the balance of fluids and electrolytes in the body. Components of the excretory system. Kidneys. These are bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine. They are the primary filtering units of the blood. Inside each kidney are millions of microscopic units called nephrons, which are the functional units of the kidney. Nephrons filter blood, reabsorb necessary substances, and form urine. Ureters. These are thin tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. This is a muscular sac that stores urine until it's expelled from the body. Urethra. This is the tube through which urine is expelled from the urinary bladder to the outside of the body. The process of urine formation. Glomerular filtration. Blood enters the kidneys and high pressure forces water and small molecules like urea, glucose and salts from the blood into the nephrons. Tubular reabsorption. As the filtered fluid moves through the nephrons, essential substances like glucose, amino acids and most of the water are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. Tubular secretion. Additional waste products are actively secreted from the blood into the nephrons. Urine formation. The remaining fluid, now containing primarily urea, excess salts and water, becomes urine. This urine then travels down the ureters and into the urinary bladder and is then expelled through the urethra. Other excretory organs. Skin. Sweat glands in the skin eliminate excess water, salts, and small amounts of urea. Lungs. The lungs remove carbon dioxide, a gaseous waste product, during exhalation. In essence, the excretory system plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's internal balance by efficiently product. Understood? Here's a simplified version of the answers tailored for a 10th grade level. 1. Describe the structure and functioning of nephrons. Structure. Nephrons are the basic filtering units of the kidneys. Each nephron has a Bowman's capsule, a cup-shaped structure containing a network of blood capillaries called the glomerulus. The capsule leads to a long, winding tubule. The tubule is divided into the proximal tubule, loop of Henle, and distal tubule, which eventually connects to a collecting duct. Function. Filtration. Blood enters the glomerulus and small molecules, water, glucose, salts, urea, are filtered into the Bowman's capsule. Reabsorption. As the filtered fluid moves through the tubule, useful substances like glucose and salts are reabsorbed back into the blood. Secretion. Waste products from the blood are added to the fluid in the tubule. Urine formation. The remaining fluid, now called urine, collects in the collecting duct and is carried to the bladder. 2. What are the methods used by plants to get rid of excretory products? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. Plants release oxygen from photosynthesis and carbon dioxide from respiration through tiny pores called stomata on their leaves. Water loss. Transpiration. Excess water is lost as vapor through stomata. Storage. Some waste products are stored in vacuoles within plant cells or as resins and gums in the bark. Leaf shedding. Plants shed leaves to get rid of waste materials accumulated in them. 3. How is the amount of urine produced regulated? Antidiuretic hormone, ADHA. The amount of urine is mainly controlled by a hormone called ADHA. Water balance. When the body has less water, ADH is released. This causes the kidneys to reabsorb more water, resulting in less urine. More water. When the body has excess water, less ADH is released. The kidneys reabsorb less water, leading to more urine. Simplified. ADH helps the kidneys adjust how much water is kept in the body and how much is released as urine. These explanations are simplified and focus on the core concepts relevant to a 10th grade curriculum.
So children go through them twice and practice by writing and draw both the diagrams, which are very, very important. Excretory system and nephrons, how it will work. Thank you very much. If the content is good, please subscribe.